Lord, give me to drink. Give me to drink, give me to drink, give me to drink, give me to drink. My family is thirsty, God. Give me to drink. The nations need water. Make me a well. Make me a well. Make me that well. And give me to drink. Hallelujah. When she said, give me to drink, she said, Lord, I'm willing to be that well that will carry the water to the city. I will carry the water to the city. The water was at the well, but she became the well that the city needed. Is there anybody that can say, Lord, make me that well that will go to the city and give thirsty men to drink?
Hello and welcome to Community Worship Center, where the Word of God is the broken bread and the naked truth. Join us for our service already in progress.
What a God we serve, who picked the fire for you and said, the one that I pick won't burn you. He picked the water for you and said, the one I pick, it won't overwhelm you. He picked the enemies for you, even though there are many. He said they will come in one way and they shall flee. Somebody said 7 different ways. He said the ones I picked for you will not prevail, will not prevail, will not prevail. Do I got a praiser in the house? Will not prevail. Because he will not give you more. Touch somebody and tell them he will not give you more than you are able to handle. Pastor Reid, God, he will not give you more than you can handle. It may look like death, but God said you won't die, because I did not pick out your casket. He said I picked out life. And that's why when the enemy comes, he cannot prevail, because God said I picked your battle.
Thank you for choosing CWC.